The name Gqeberha have no meaning in isiXhosa.
Ubhanga uthi njengedolobha bakhala ngokuthi kugudluzwa ulwimi lwesiXhosa ukuze kuphakanyiswe ulwimi lwamaKhoisan. Uthi leli gama alixhumana inhlobo nezakhamuzi zaleli dolobha njengoba iningi lazo lingamaXhosa.
Our question is that, is this restoration and restoration of and addressing the erosion of another language must not replace another language. In this case, the Xhosa names are being put aside, then they are affirming, the coining. The majority of people in this part of town are Xhosa-speaking people. And replacing all the names of the towns in this town with Khoisan, it's injustice, and I think so.
Uthi uhlelo lokuxoxisana mayelana nokuguqulwa kwamagama ale indawo alizange libheke zonke iziphakamiso ezenziwe umphakathi.
The majority of people in the city have submitted a number of names. That's why I've written to the minister to give us a feedback to say we believe that the process was not as inclusive as we would have wanted as a city. To an extent, the city as an institution have expressed an opinion, not me. Danny Jordan then expressed council an opinion to say this city must be named under Mandela City, meaning that many people embraces the values of Nelson Mandela.
Ubhanga uthi baningi abantu kanye nenhlangano eyingahambisani naleli gama elisha.
Business in the region is also concerned about this name, and many churches are very concerned about this name. Therefore, whose name is this? Is this Minister Mthethwa's name? It can't be, because if it is Minister Mthethwa's name, it's not going to sit in the streets of our people for them to own it and use it.
Uthi uma kuhluleka ingxoxo nongqongqoshe wezamasiko amaciko nemidlalo uNathi Mthethwa bayimisele ngokunikela enkantolo. Ngaphansi kwalamagama amasha iBhayi izoba iGqeberha, isikhumulo seindiza sakuleli dolobha sibizwe ngeKing David Stearman, kuthi isikhumulo seindiza saseMonti sibizwe ngeKing Phalo. iKing Williamstown yona izobizwa ngeQonce, kuthi iTinarha ibizwe ngeKariga.